My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware called PIRAT HACKER GROUP. This is the ransomware that is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video, however, is strictly for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will give you certain recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Pirate Hacker Group ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and then appends a certain extension to the file names, so it is then impossible to open these files anymore. So, by the way, speaking about this extension, I can tell you that this is a random for symbol extension. It also changes this desktop background titled as FBI terminal. But of course, it has nothing to do with FBI. You should not pay the ransom because the ransomware note tells you to pay the ransom, but you should not waste your money. Don't pay that ransom. Now, I recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. And I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To get Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But of course, first of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. And this way, your data will always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Even though I can tell you that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files and there is no any other antivirus which decrypts these files, but still in the description to this video you can find a special link which will give you more information about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover at least some of your files.